So here, the county attorney, Erasta Zorina. We are the team which is representing the governor. As you are aware, the assembly last week on 27th, a notice of motion was tabled seeking the removal of the governor through impeachment. We had come here to give our response before the assembly, and we appeared before the assembly, what we thought was a committee of the assembly, to clarify the issues. We have submitted our comprehensive response to the issues which were in the motion, and we did attempt to ask for an opportunity to take the committee through point by minute explanation on the response as it is required under Standing Order number 65, but that opportunity was not given to us. I don't know for what reason we were not given, but what we are saying is that this motion does not meet the standard of Article 181 of the Constitution. There are two grounds for impeachment here. One is a gross violation of the Constitution and the law, and the other one is abuse of office. The 80% of this motion is drawn from the audit queries, which emanate from this year's audit. These are the report of the Auditor General, which has just been tabled. So this report has not gone through the processes. It has just been tabled in the Assembly and in the Senate, and it has not even been considered by the same committee of the Assembly. So we thought that this committee should be given an opportunity, that is the Public Accounts Committee, to go through those audit queries. And if they have been clarified, then most of these issues will be resolved. The other 20% arises from issues which are in court. We have furnished them with court orders. These are matters which offend Standing Order 87 of the County Assembly. That these are matters which are sub judice, and we have raised it before the Assembly. And so we expect that today in the afternoon, we'll be accorded an opportunity to take through the Assembly, through all the allegations, we counter them. What we are saying is that this motion does not meet the standard for impeaching the governor. So I'll allow my colleagues also to...
Well, before you...